Hi, I'm Caroline Tarr from the 4-H Club Serendipity. Last year was my 4th year in 4-H, and I took the intermediate cooking project, Racing the Clock to Awesome Meals. In this video, I'm going to talk about that project and what I did in it, some recipes I made, and activities I did. So let's get started. Recipes you'll be making in this project are egg burritos, pumpkin muffins, pasta with vegetables, chicken noodle vegetable soup, a casserole, apple crumble, and a pizza. Recipes can help you too. They can expand your palate, teach you how to make new foods, and help you learn how to use new tools in the kitchen. Recipes that helped me were the chicken noodle vegetable soup, pasta with vegetables, and the create a casserole. Now let's go through an activity together. The activity I'm doing is activity 4, which is called Super Soups. So first, just read the stuff you're supposed to and the instructions. And what they want you to do is create a soup out of the food groups they gave you. They want you to choose at least one of these choices and write them down here. So for the broth base, I chose the canned or frozen broth. I chose canned broth and wrote it down here. For the grains, I chose rice. For the vegetables, I chose onions. Proteins, garbanzo beans. And the flavoring, I chose salt, pepper, red pepper, and basil. Now here they want you to talk to someone and ask them how it sounds, but I'm not going to do that in this video. So just go on to read this stuff, turn the page. And now you're going to answer 4 questions. I'm going to do 2 of the questions. Share. How did you decide on your ingredients in this activity? I wrote, what sounded pretty good and I had on hand is how I chose my soup. Reflect. Soup recipes are flexible. Why is that important when you need a quick meal? And I wrote, so you can easily pick out different ingredients if you don't have other things for a soup on hand. And then there's 2 other questions, but I'm not going to go through those. And that's how you do an activity in this book and what one of them is like. So in this project, I actually got state for selection. And here is my pretty ribbon. That's what it says on it. And then here are my other 2 ribbons that I got. So when you're getting ready for judging, they're going to want you to make a portfolio. Now, I didn't make one of these last year because of COVID. They had us make a board, but normally they would have you make a portfolio. But I will show you my board from last year, last year when I took Racing the Clock to Awesome Meals. So if you've taken a cooking project before, it's kind of the same. You just put your recipes, what you did in your activities. I put some pictures of me. There's some food pictures on there. But normally they would have you have to do a portfolio. So I don't know what they're going to do this year, but that's what they usually have you do, some kind of example to show your work. So thanks for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and maybe you decided you want to take Racing the Clock to Awesome Meals. Thanks again. Bye.